Do your slides feel a bit flat or uninspiring? Let's fix that with the powerful color palettes. Hey guys, at first take a look at this slide. It's too plain and weak for a good presentation. It doesn't create any real impact. But now look at this, clean and sharp, perfect when you want to look professional and serious. Also, these 4 colors, great for creative ideas and startup pitches. If you want your presentation looks modern and minimal, use this one, which is ideal for heavy reports. And the last one is a great fit for branding and marketing or creative topics. As Pierre Bonnard said, don't forget, color isn't just a decoration, it's a communication. Thanks for watching, and if you want more design hacks like this, subscribe for weekly PowerPoint tips, templates, and tutorials that takes your slide from boring to brilliant. And like, share, and comment your favorite palette below. Goodbye!